this is Rose Thorn's Pooktre introducing to the channel. This is Mary Jane Cherry. We have pre-recorded some footage, but we scrapped it because you know how it goes. Anyway, so she's up to here. It's winter at the moment, so I won't need to film her that much, but we're going to put up a tripod later. And this gorgeous little girl is up for sale. I mean, this is her hip, so she's not going to be little, but she's still for sale. We have no idea how much the price is going to cost, because she's probably going to grow this thick, or something like that. It's like that thickness range, which is going to take probably 4 to 5 years. And then, she's also going to have glass in the chest. That's going to make it seem like she has a shape there, because she is a woman. Right now, she's a girl. And then, hopefully, she's going to be holding a deck. So this is her. Now introducing you to the channel. My name on the internet is Rose, and I am the daughter of Peter Cook and Becky Northey, well-renowned tree shapers. And I'm welcoming you to my channel. I'm a weeaboo. Don't mind that. Bye!